Thank you very much, Chairman, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, all the members present. Your Excellency, it is fair that I actually set record straight. It is not that I'm one of the youngest in the Senate, it is that I am the youngest. It is fair that we set that record straight. Your Excellency, in the 1 minute that I've been given, want to appreciate you and your deputy for offering and being very deliberate in mentoring those of us who have been elected young. From the Senate, Your Excellency, and I give the apologies of the members of the Senate who are not here because we were out of town with our Speaker. But you have been deliberate. You have given us one of the youngest majority leaders in the Republic of Kenya to ever exist, Honorable Aaron Cheriot, who is a member and a paying member of the KYPA, and many other members who are chairmen of committees, including my own self. Your Excellency, sir, it would be catastrophic if you chose otherwise. From history, we can predict the future. A long time ago, before I was born, Jomo Kenyatta became the Secretary of KAU at the age of 31. In 1955, Daniel Moi left teaching and became the member of the Regico at the age of 31. In 1960, Mwai Kibaki left Makerere University as a lecturer to come and become the executive officer of KANU. In 1997, Uhuru Kenyatta left whatever he was doing and became ran for member of parliament for Gatundu South, although he didn't win. In 1997, William Ruto left whatever he was doing, ran for office, and became member of parliament. It is these 5 young members of parliament who are paying members of KYPA who went on to become the presidents of this great republic. It is then this that we can use then to predict that the future of this republic is seated in this particular hall that you are seeing, Your Excellency. The presidents that are coming are seated just here. If then you do not mentor them, if we do not get a better William Ruto, if we ever find ourselves in the kind of economy that we found in ourselves, if we didn't get a bright leader like William Ruto, where would our country have gone to? So you have a responsibility, before God and before men, to continue mentoring us. And the mentorship must be across board. It must be within your party, and more importantly, even those who are not members of our party. Why? Because the friends of today are not the friends of tomorrow. And neither are the enemies of today the enemies of tomorrow. It is tomorrow that I will take BABU OWINO to be my running mate, and we shall form government together, and we are not members of the same party today. So, Your Excellency, even as we ask you to continue taking members from other delegations, take members from ODM, go with them. Take members from KYPA, go with them. Because KYPA, tomorrow, we shall be other different people, and we shall form other new alliances. Thank you very much. Asanteni sana, and God bless you.
Makofi yake Methu.